Hello viewers, many people have bought Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE and also S9 FE Plus, but they don't know which accessories are good for them. So don't worry, here I am to help you. If you want to buy cover for Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE, you can buy Robustrian cover for Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 or S9 FE Plus. The price of this cover is 499 rupees. This is a very good cover with place for keeping your S Pen. Next, if you want to buy tempered glass for your Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE, in that case also you can buy Robustrian tempered glass screen protector for your Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE or S9 or S8 or S7. The price of this tempered glass is 379 rupees. This will protect your screen from scratch and also it will protect your screen from any drop that you might have. Now if you want to buy any keyboard for your Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 or S9 FE, in that case you can buy ProLite case or keyboard for your tablet. However, the price of this keyboard is little bit expensive. It will cost around 2799 rupees, and if you buy in this Republic sale, this is the best price for this keyboard, and after this Republic sale the price will definitely increase. So if you want to buy, you can order this product. Cover for Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus, in that case you can buy ProLite cover for Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus, S9 Plus and also S10 Plus. This is a very good cover and the price of this cover is 599 rupees, and also you will get discounts. So order it today if you want to buy any good cover for your tablet. Now if you want to buy tempered glass for your Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus, in that case you can buy Robustrian tempered glass for Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus, S9 Plus, S10 Plus, etc. The price of this tempered glass is 499 rupees. One of the best tempered glasses that you can buy, so order it today. Now if you want to buy any keyboard case for your Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus, in that case you can buy ProLite touchpad keyboard case for Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus or S10 Plus. This is actually cheap and best keyboard for the price, so you can buy this keyboard. The best buy links of all the products are available in the description, so you can check out the description and buy from that link, and that will also be helpful for this channel. So hope this video has become informative to you. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, share this video and subscribe the channel for more such interesting videos. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.